Things are picking up speed lately at Libakan. After tackling the floor structure and yellow tongue sheeting in the previous weeks, we finally are ready to tackle the walls, but not without a bit of drama, as you'll see in this video. With only the weekends to work and the weather being all over the place lately, we finally had a couple of days of clear sky to progress the build, as the last thing I wanted was for any rain to fall on the yellow tone composite, which doesn't seem very water friendly. So, working from the instructions like I did with the floor, off we went, finally putting some walls up during this beautiful spring day. The lead and the kids coming on and off to help and keep me company in our woods. With a bit of time to do the work, the process is actually enjoyable. It's like building a big Lego, and the result from the outside already has a feel of an off-grid cabin.
Alright, half of the walls are now up. So the trick initially doing it by yourself is, I guess, hold the walls steady and straight, so then you can screw it in. So as you could see, I had some help from my wife with the first two, and then the other is doable, and it gets easier as there are more walls because it gets a little bit more steady. So a little bit more than halfway through now, and let's keep going. And just because I'm doing the last panel here, I'm a bit worried that it falls over because the whole weight is on that side if there's a bit of wind today in the air as well. So I'm just going to put a beam on the other side to provide some support until I nail in or I screw in the corner wall, which will then make it, quite stable.
Finally, with all the walls up, it's really starting to look like a cabin, with my main priority now to get a roof on top over the weekend just in case the bad weather comes back. So, with the help of my little workmates, we press on and start working on the roof structure. Feeling good about our day's progress, we finish up a few little things to pick up on the next day. Little did we know, an unforeseen disaster was about to strike.
About what I said yesterday about having 3 days of nice weather so we can work on the cabin, it's going to be all dry and all that. So of course we had a huge storm last night, so Lid and I had to go and run tried to cover as much as possible as we could the cabin so it wouldn't get damaged by the water, because there was no roof yet. And today that's what I'm gonna do, install the roof. But yeah, so you never know in this part of the world what the weather is gonna do. Last night was the perfect proof of that. So this is what we managed to do last night. Pouring rain in the dark, so I could attach it to trees and to the ground with tent pegs. I think it's saved from most of the water damage. We still had some water in there, but we did take it out right away, so we should be all good.
And that's how life goes. When it gives you lemon, just put a top over it. Or at least I think that's how the saying goes. In the meantime, can't wait to show you what the full cabin looks like and further drama, but that's for the next video. Like and comment if you feel like it, and subscribe if you don't want to miss it.